We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we have a 2014 Electra Glide Ultra Limited in red. Has a tour pack, saddlebags both lock, engine guards with pods. This bike is equipped with ABS, heel toe shifters, custom derby and gas tank cover. Super comfortable for passengers, lots of luggage capabilities, and it has the speakers in there too. So as you heard, it's also equipped with that Screaming Eagle exhaust and intake. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, San Marcos, California. We do test rides 6 days a week. Come and see us.